So you got the Silverado rear driveline clunk. You can pull the drive shaft, pack the slip joint with grease. I've done that for years. Lasts about 2-3 months and about 2-3 weeks. But what I did is I picked up this leaf spring clamp kit, $16.99. Bolted it right on there. Put it on the overload, brings it up tight. This used to be hanging down about here. I don't think these damn things are worth, they don't do a shit, I don't know. I ain't no spring expert, but put these on here, no clunk. I can take off as quick or as slow as I want. Just instantly moves forward, no frickin' ka-clunk, ka-clunk. There you go. We'll see how long that lasts. Who knows? It's working great for now though. And I ain't pulling the drive shaft and putting more grease in there.